Hey toy friends, welcome back to I Heart Fairies 1982 toy reviews. Today I have a Disney princess for you guys. I have Rapunzel here. She's super tiny. She is from Disney Princess Little Kingdom. She has super fun long hair. Then I also have a My Little Pony Sparkly Glitzy Surprise Egg and 2 LPS Candy Swirl Dreams Collection bags. So let's go ahead and open up one of these little Pet Shop bags and see what's in here. Alright guys. Whoa, it's a little green frog! I don't have one of these. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Just little purple eyes, and she has a little candy on the top of her head. There's her LPS mark on the back. And look at her little froggy feet. So funny, and look what big eyes she has. Wow. Let's put her down over here and check out her card. And her leaflet. There is her card. Really cute. And then here is the leaflet. She's 3322. Really fun. I haven't seen a frog like that before. So let's go ahead and open up this Disney Princess Rapunzel. This is ages 3 and up, and I had to get this because her hair is just so long and pretty. Comes with a little stand and an extra little skirt, a hairbrush, a tiara, hair clips, hair combs, a purple hair extension. So cute. So let me get this out of the box. Okay guys, she's out of the box here. There were a lot of plastic ties on the back, so hopefully she will come out. Let's get out her stand first. Super cute. It looks like the sun or a flower. So she's supposed to be able to stand up in there because her feet are way too little for her to really stand up. So let's get Rapunzel out of here. And get this off of her hair. She is so cute. Look how sparkly she is. Her makeup is so detailed for being such a teeny tiny doll. And her top is really glittery. And then her little skirt just pops off. And then you can pop on the other skirt. Stick a little shoes in here. She has pretty big feet for being such a small doll. I don't know if I can get this thing off. There we go. Wow, her hair is so long. Let's see if we can get her in the stand so she can stand up. If we pop her legs in here. Definitely looks like I broke that ankle. Nope, she's okay. She's alright. Okay. Let's put her down there. And let's get out these other little accessories. Here is her other skirt, which is like a peachy pink color. Really shiny and cute. Sorry, I had to put her down there to get that skirt out. It was really tacked in there. So then here is the hairbrush. Really, really cute. Has like little flowery designs all over it. And then her little princess crown. Let's see if we can get that on her head. Oh, that is so cute. It really snaps on. Look at that, guys. It really snaps on. That's so cute. And then there is a little hair comb. Then there is a little flower. And there is a long purple and silver ribbon. the little clip. And then there is a little hair extension clip. Let's see if I can pop it out of there. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty. So then that one has a clip also. So you can just clip it into her hair and make her hair longer. That's pretty fun. I have 2 more of these to review. I have Belle and I also have Ariel from The Little Mermaid. That is really cute. So let's go ahead and open up this LPS blind bag, and then we'll get into that surprise glitter egg. Oh, I love blind bags. They're so fun. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's an armadillo? Not an armadillo. Look at that. I think that's an armadillo, guys. Oh, its head moves. That is so cute. Look at that. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if this is an armadillo. Super cute. Put that over here by Rapunzel. Get out the card. There's her little card. And then she has a leaflet. Okay guys, it's time to get into this My Little Pony glitter egg. There is a surprise inside. I wonder what's in here. Let's just get into it. Alright. Ooh, it's a glitzy globe. I love these. I did one of these on my last video, so check the description bar below and you can check that out. That one was a little dragon with a castle. So let's see what this one is. Okay, let's see. It's little puppies. Oh, it's so hard to see. There's a little pink puppy or an elephant. Oh, it's an elephant with a little dog. I don't know if my camera will zoom in on there. If I hold really still. Just take it out and look. I think the bag's just a little too shiny. There are little glitter pieces in there. And a little elephant. And then the base of the glitzy globe looks like this. It's squishy kind of, and it's orange with little pink hearts. So let's go ahead and pop this out of here. Pull this out. And on the inside here is a little glitter capsule. And the little glitter capsule goes on the inside, so it has that little snow globe effect. So I have some water over here. Get the water in there. So you want to try to fill it up all the way unless you want a bubble in there. And then you stick the little character on the peg on the base, and then you put the little charms in the water. This one has a music note, a heart, and a flower. And then we're also going to put in the little glitter capsule in the water. Then when you put the lid on, the little character is upside down. And this kind of does make a mess because some water does shoot out when it seals itself. And you pop the lid down really tight. And that makes a really good seal I don't like an air bubble in mine, but if you like an air bubble in yours, just put a little bit less water. And then you go ahead and you pop it in. And then you just wait a few minutes, and then the glitter starts to dissolve. And then when you shake it up, it looks just like a little snow globe. So we'll come back in a second and see what that looks like once the glitter has dissolved. Okay guys, so it's been a few minutes and the glitter has kind of dissolved into there. You can see how sparkly it is with that little elephant. You shake it up. Look how sparkly! So cute. And I just wanted to show you guys, I have a Hello Kitty pencil here. On the base, you can pop this on a pencil. Make sure you don't shake it when it's on here because you go flinging it across the room. So super cute. Well, thanks guys for watching my video and my review of this teeny tiny little princess. Super, super fun. I can't wait to give her hair a good brush out and play with her. Make sure to subscribe. I have the other two princesses coming up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.